Hey YT fam, it's your girl Nettie B. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Okay, let's go in and see what is new. I got all this dust in the door. Okay, same old. I'm assuming that is a garage door. I don't know what the other door. Oh, they took these doors off. Okay. Ooh, we got cabinets. Hey now. Okay. We got some cabinets, y'all. That's where my refrigerator's gonna go. Cabinets next to the refrigerator. Over here. They still got plastic and things on them, but we got cabinetry, y'all. That's where the dishwasher will be. Of course, the stove and the microwave. I guess they did most of the painting. They probably still have to come and touch it. Do a couple of things. It ain't going nowhere. It's sturdy. So yes, we have cabinets. I don't think much has changed this week, y'all, besides the cabinets, which is a good thing because now they can give me a closing date. They took these doors off for whatever reason. I guess they're getting ready to install maybe the sink. And come on. Let's see if they install my stuff up here. Yeah, y'all saw the doors last time. I guess they was just fitting them. I don't know. But all the doors are gone. Or maybe something went wrong. I don't know. Okay, we got cabinets and sinks. And here, the double sink for the girls. Yeah, all the doors are gone. Let's see. Oh, well, at least they're not lost. They're in here. Okay. Okay. Well, no, they haven't even installed ribbons. They have it in here. But they haven't installed my sinks, my cabinets, my bathroom. I guess they'll do that next. I don't know what they're waiting on. I guess this is just for show. Ain't no drawer gonna be there. Or maybe there is a drawer gonna be there. It'd be nice if that was a drawer. It really would be nice. You still got this filthy tub over here. You got to go. That's gonna annoy me. But all right, minor progress. The doors are in my room now for whatever reason. I gotta finish. I guess next they should be doing the floors, putting in the lights, finish painting. Y'all, I think that's what's next. All right, y'all. Well, that is a short video for this week. Doors are gone. Cabinets are in. Next, hopefully we get some floors. Hopefully. So they can go ahead and give me my closing date. So I can go ahead and move in. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Continue to subscribe. Oh, and I have a question, y'all. So y'all see the stairs there, and then how it goes. The ceiling goes all the way up here. I want to add a chandelier up here. I'm just wondering, do you guys think that would be super expensive or what? Because I feel like this little light that's gonna be right here is not going to be enough for me. So comment below if you guys think hiring someone to install a chandelier light is gonna be super expensive. All right, bye guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for continuing to watch. Have a good one.